Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Since we are already made a 5 video talking about on one IONOS or just IONOS as a hosting provider, why not appease the web goods and dive into what the IONOS website builder has to offer. It's a modern user-friendly tool with affordable pricing or something you should skip entirely and run to another option. All this question and more will be answered is my IONOS website builder review anyway for everybody. It's a way I started this IONOS review by looking to it at the very first part of building your website, choosing a good looking template. IONOS does not go wild with its template. Thought there are only a handful of them. The design here are clean and tailored for business or portfolio need. That said, creative are not left out. There are full colorful modern looking template as well. I also appreciate that you can preview how template will look on a phone or tablet before making your choice. You are probably notice the giant text at the top uh, that keep screaming AI. So let's look at the what website builder offer. It work with prompts, so we can enter a description and then select a tone. After this there a quick setup for color font and your website info. Then we get quite a good looking selection of design. No, not every generated template as a winner, so you might want to play around with the prompts and step. Overall, I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised by the style of template and the modern approach with AI integration. It's a plus for you have to menu on the left with all you need: app market, web editor, e-commerce and email market. I have to give a small bonus point for the easily accessible elastic. However, the app market could use more app right now in mainly offer translator and booking add one. So while it's not the best website builder for small business, it's still a solid choose for landing page, portfolio or local business sites. Next, let's dive into website editing before exploring the other tool available. If we go to the dashboard and click edit website, we get to the editor. It's interesting approach. There I says quite unique. The most attention grabbing feature is the preview, which show a simple similar version of your site while scrolling. Quite a neat idea. The content tab allow you to mess with website structure, editing pre-made section or rereading them. However, there are no drag and drop control or individual element placement. The editor great you with the rather unusual design approach. If you navigate to section setting them then to elements and activate this mode, you will be able to move element freely, similar to Wix or Hostinger. As for the individual elements you can edit, the selection is not extensive, but it's decent in an interesting design. Choose switching modes do not change the interpreter, it only affect the specific section you are working on. This mean you can mix drag and drop section with more straightforward pre-made option. On one hand, you need to activate the drag and drop control for each section individually. If you want to use it access your entire site, you can use AI with any text elements by simple double clicking on it. The bring out the standard word editor option and an AI helper. You can also improve text based on tone, but you cannot really give any other parameters here. Continue with them. You can create an image with AI. If you go to replace any image currently, you can only enter a prompt. There are no reference image or style option, and the quality is more cartoonish than real. so I don't know how much I would recommend using it. A better thing is the stock picture that offer realistic looking royalty free image, so you don't need to worry about lessons or other stuff overall. While there are some interesting discussion, the website builder editor feel and control like a modern beginner friendly tool. Everything I say here is a quick self-explanation explanatory. The style tab allow you to customize the color, font and other small options. The page tab lets you customize the structure of your site or add a new page, and of course the shop is for product management. Alright, let's answer the question: is IONOS good as a website builder, or should you go elsewhere? To be fair, it's surprisingly good and modern tool with a free trial and even a $1 a month plan. While it does have a 5 audit design, choose and code benefit from more design option or variation, it's still a solid choose. It might not be the best website builder out there, but it's definitely a tool I'd recommend it for beginners. So give a shot, and don't forget those discount link to save some sweet cash. Thank you for watching my website builder review. Thank you.